Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner looking for a reliable tool to streamline your planning process? Well, look no further, my friend, than Liveplan. In this video, we'll take a look into the features, pros, and cons of Liveplan to help you determine if it's the right fit for your business needs. All right, but before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Vaughn. Put in work Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of the Wealth Builders System. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z system.com. All right, that link is in the description. It's the absolute way to make more money, save more money, start your dream business while building a better you. So with that being said, click the link in the description if you want to learn how to make money in your sleep. And also subscribe to the channel and like this video. Okay, so I know you've heard me talk about Liveplan when it comes to business planning before, right? So we're going to get into it today. We're going to get in depth to it, all right? We're going to deep dive into Liveplan and what it's all about. Now, so what is Liveplan? Liveplan is an online business planning software that helps entrepreneurs and small business owners create professional business plans quickly and efficiently. Developed by Palo Alto Software, Liveplan offers a comprehensive suite of tools to guide users through every step of the business planning process. All right, so let's talk about some features. So number one, the interface. It's very intuitive. Okay, Liveplan has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to navigate through the various sections of the business plan, right? Of their business plan. Now, number two, they have different business plan templates. Now, the platform provides customizable business plan templates tailored to different industries, ensuring that users can create a plan that aligns with their specific business goals and needs. And number three, financial forecasting. One of Liveplan's standout features is its financial forecasting tools. Users can create detailed financial projections, include income statements, cash flow forecasts, and balance sheets to help them make informed decisions about their business's financial future. And number four, collaboration tools. You can actually collaborate with people, right? Liveplan allows for seamless collaboration between team members, enabling multiple users to work on the same business plan simultaneously. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses with remote teams or multiple stakeholders. And number five, you can even track your performance. Users can track their business's performance against their financial projections using Liveplan's built-in dashboard and reporting tools. This helps users identify areas where they may need to adjust their strategy to stay on track towards their goals. And number six, you have access to expert advice. This is the best part about it. Now, Liveplan provides access to a library of resources and tutorials to help users navigate the business plan process, right? Additionally, users can seek personalized advice from business planning experts through the platform's Ask a Question feature. Because most people have questions about starting, doing business planning and all that good stuff when they start a business. I did too. That's why I love business Liveplan, because it was so easy for you to use. Now, so let's talk about the pros of Liveplan, right? We talked about the features, let's talk about the pros. The ease of use. Liveplan's intuitive interface makes it easy for users to create professional business plans, even if they have limited experience with business planning software. Number two, comprehensive financial tools. The platform's robust financial forecasting tools set it apart from competitors, providing users with the insights they need to make informed financial decisions. Another pro that we spoke about before, which is the collaboration features. See, you have the ability to collaborate with team members in real time, which makes Liveplan a valuable tool for businesses with multiple stakeholders, right? Because what if you have a stakeholder over in Michigan, you have a stakeholder somewhere in New Jersey, then another stakeholder in Texas, right? You all can collaborate. And number 4, you have industry-specific templates. Liveplan's industry-specific templates make it easier for users to create a customized business plan that reflects the unique needs of their industry. That's nice. Now let's talk about the cons. Subscription-based pricing. Some users may find Liveplan's subscription-based pricing model to be expensive, particularly for businesses on a tight budget. Now, it is what it is. Gotta spend it to get it, you know what I mean? Number 2, limited customization options. While Liveplan offers a range of customizable templates, some users may find the platform's customization options to be somewhat limited compared to other business planning software. But some other business planning software does not allow you to collaborate. So you got to take the good with the bad. Overall, Liveplan is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to create professional business plans and make informed decisions about their business's future. With its intuitive interface, comprehensive features, and industry-specific templates, Liveplan streamlines the business planning process and provides users with the tools they need to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, Liveplan can help you turn your vision into a reality. Give it a try today and see how it could transform your business planning process. The link is in the description. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, Liveplan is a great tool. I've been talking about it for all the time, for months now. Almost every time I post a video about, starting a business, whatever new business you're going to start. And when it comes to business planning, Liveplan is one of my go-tos. Okay, every client that I have that, setting up a business or wants to help setting up a business plan, I lead them to Liveplan, okay? It's a great tool to have. All right, so thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for my Liveplan review. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.